What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great, you're all doing well, and welcome back to this new episode. In this video I'm going to review a perfume from the house of Khadlaj. This is my first review for this house, Khadlaj. Khadlaj is a UAE based house and they're in the business from like last 25 years, but they are getting famous from last 3 to 4 years, and a lot of people now talking about this brand. There is a hype around it, so let's find out that what kind of fragrances they are making. Let's talk about the quality and let's see if they are up to the hype or not. So in this video I'm going to review one of their very famous perfume, KARUS BLU SPICE, and trust me guys, this one smells so nice. So let's start our review, and as always we will start with the presentation first. You'll get this perfume in this beautiful box. You can see the packaging is top notch here. The finishing, everything is really nice. You will find this metallic plate here with the name of the collection, KARUS, and they have like I think 4 more fragrances in this line, 3 or 4 more, I'm not very sure. But there is a red one and there's a blue one, and then I think there are 2 or 3 more. Anyways, so here you will get a metallic plate with the name of the collection, KARUS, and then the name of the perfume, Blue Spice. You will find this holographic sticker here. You can see the pattern on the perfume, and then the logo of the brand, Khadlaj. Even on the top you will find the logo of the brand, Khadlaj. Even in the bottom you will find the logo of the brand, Khadlaj. And then in the back here you will find all the ingredient details, your manufacturing date, barcode, etc. You will find your beautiful bottle, and here you go. You can see the name of the collection printed here in silver, and look at the bottle guys, it looks so regal. I love this blue color. Blue is one of my favorite colors, and trust me, this particular shade is something I love a lot. And see how beautiful it looks. There is a cutout of foam and beautiful blue velvet here. And now let me show you the bottle, and bottle is really stunning. It looks beautiful. Here you go. You can see how beautiful this bottle is. You can see the color of the bottle. It's frosted. You can see this line engraved pattern here. On the sides you will find the name of Khadlaj, the name of the brand, and then the cap here is made of metal with the initials of Khadlaj. You can see the K here on the top, and this beautiful atomizer, and the smell is really divine. Overall this presentation is really stunning. So this was about the presentation, and now let's talk about the fragrance. Let me give you the official notes breakdown of this perfume, and then I will try to explain you that how this perfume actually smells. So here, as per their official website, in the top you will get bergamot and tea. In the middle you will get neroli and ginger, and then in the base you will get cinnamon and gaiquout. So this is the official notes breakdown, and now I will try to explain you that how this perfume actually smells. So this is a beautiful freshie. This is very bright, very clean, and very radiant. KARUS BLU SPICE opens up with a beautiful blend of citruses, tea, neroli, and ambroxan. And then towards the second phase, it becomes a little bit spicy and sweet due to the use of cinnamon. And then in the dry down, it becomes more interesting and more deep and more woody. Those citruses, tea, neroli, and ambroxan are going to stay with you from the start till end, but in the end it becomes a little bit more woody and more deep. You'll start to enjoy that beautiful spicy cinnamon here. Overall, a very beautiful scent. And now let me tell you that this is a beautiful alternative of Louis Vuitton's Imagination. There are a lot of clones available in the market for Imagination, but most of them lacks in quality. I haven't experienced anything good until now. Yes, there are a couple of clones out there in the market that smells okay, they perform okay, but you lack that quality, that beauty of blending. So Khadlaj have solved that issue. You will find a beautiful blend, amazing quality in this beautiful perfume. So this is a KARUS BLU SPICE. So this is a beautiful freshie for the upcoming summers. So if you like Imagination but you cannot afford that hefty price tag, check out this one, KARUS BLU SPICE, and you will be loving it. So this was about the fragrance, and now let's talk about the other aspects of this perfume. Let's talk about performance. Performance wise, I am very happy with it. I have tested this perfume in my office for like 3 to 4 days, and trust me guys, all the people around me, they have loved it. It fills the room once you're going to spray it, and the total longevity of this perfume, as per my experience, is around 8 to 9 hours. My one day shift is for like 8 to 9 hours, and this perfume was there in the 9th hour. Yes, it was very soft, but it was there. So total longevity is around, you can say, 8 to 9 hours. The solid performance here is, you can say, 4 to 5 hours. After that, if you want, you can refresh it, but if you are spraying it properly in the morning, in the first time, then it's going to be staying with you. Even after the 5th hour, it will be there, and once you are going to interact with people, they will be able to smell it, especially in the close encounters. It's always there, but it becomes soft and it sits near to your skin, but it's there. So if you want best experience, you can refresh your perfume in like 4th or 5th hour. Otherwise, for me, if you start with like 10 to 12 sprays, you will be fine for the whole day. So for me, performance is great because this is a freshie. So this kind of performance is good for these kind of scents. And now let's talk about the gender. So this is a masculine scent. Ladies, they can check it out if they like it, but for me, this is going to work well with gents. For the age group, age any, doesn't matter at all. You are young, you are teenager, you are old, it can work with any age group. And now let's talk about the season or weather. So once again, all year around, but for the best experience, use this perfume in summers when it's a little hot, to enjoy these beautiful citruses. But once again, you can also rock this perfume in any kind of season. For the scenarios, this is a perfume which is very versatile. You can use this perfume in any kind of scenario. This is very versatile. You can use this perfume in your office, you can use it in your gym, in your school, in your parties. Use this perfume wherever you want. This is a crowd pleaser kind of scent, so people around you will be loving it. It's non-offensive and smells beautiful. Well done, Khadlaj, for producing such a beautiful perfume. And now let's talk about the price. So you'll get this perfume in 100 ml quantity with Eau de Parfum concentration and with this beautiful presentation. And the current price of this perfume inside UAE is 150 UAE dirhams. But nowadays you can get some offers. There are some discounts going on. So you can get this perfume, I think, in around 127 or something, but the original price of this perfume is 150 dirhams for 100 ml juice. So this was my review about KARUS Blue Spice. I hope you liked it. I'm going to catch you in my another review of another great product. Till then, put your scent on, stay fragrant, and bye.